Hello. Today we're doing the homework for February 27th, lesson 19, session 2. Mr. Sanchez practices yoga 4 times in a week. He practices 25, 27, 28, and 32 minutes. So this whole chapter is about adding multiple 2-digit numbers. It's a short chapter, only 3 sessions. So, we're almost already done, but that's what the chapter's about. So the multiple 2-digit numbers. So the 4 2-digit numbers, 25, 27, 28, 32. So we're looking, first of all, number 1, which 2 numbers have 1s that make a 10? So 28 plus something equals 60. So again, in our class, we've been talking a lot about 6s and 4s, 7s and 3s, 8s and 2s. So what we need, since we have 28, is something with a 2 in the 1s place. So we got 5, 7, 8, and 2. There it is, 32. So 28 plus 32 equals 60. If you were to take the 2 from 32 and give it a 28, this would be 30 plus 30 equals 60. So you can see that it's right that way. Now we need to add together the other 2 numbers, 25 plus 27. So for this, it is helpful. Like we talk about quarters in class because there's 4 quarters in a dollar. 1 quarter is 25 cents. Half of 100 is 50. So 2 quarters makes 50. 3 quarters is 75. 4 quarters is 100. So if you know that, then you know 25 plus 25 is 50. And 50 plus 2 is 52. If you wanted to do it another way, you could try good old-fashioned standard algorithm. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So either way is fine. And it says, show how to find the total minutes Mr. Sanchez practices yoga. That would be these 2 numbers added together. So 0 plus 2, 2. 6 plus 5 is 11. So Mr. Sanchez practices yoga for 112 minutes. Bonus question, put that into hours and minutes, if you want to do an extension. Okay, so that is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so fruit stand has 47 apples, 49 pears, 53 peaches, and 62 plums. For number 4, what they want you to do is just break the numbers into their 10s and 1s. So 47 equals 40 plus 7, 53 equals 50 plus 3, 49 equals 40 plus 9, 62 equals 60 plus 2. How many pieces of fruit are there? And I'll show you work. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, but this one kind of lends itself to adding together the 10s and then adding together the 1s. So we have 40, 50, 40, and 60. So a lot of different ways that you can go about it. One thing that I'd like to do on the board, and I'm trying to get kids to start doing, so a little more complicated, but just be like doing one of these. So 40 plus 60 is 100, and 40 plus 50 is 90, and then 100 plus 90 equals 190. Something along those lines. So 190 total pieces. Oh, I'm sorry, except I forgot the 1s. So it's not right. My bad. So that gives us 190. Then we have to add the 1s up. So the 1s, 9, 7, 3, and 2. 9 and 7, 16. 3 and 2 is 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. 190 plus 21. So 1, 11, 211 total pieces of fruit. Okay, so again, 4, just breaking apart all of these digits into their tens and ones, 40 plus 7, and then using that, this is actually 5, using that to solve the problem. So we add together the tens, 40, 50, 40, and 60. 40 plus 50 is 90, 40 plus 60 is 100. 100 plus 90 is 190. Then adding together the ones, 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. 9 plus 7 is 16, 3 and 2 is 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. Then 190 plus 21 equals 211. Okay, number 6. Latifah babysits for 4 days. She earns $29, $34, $36, and $52. So one of these values on each of those days. What's the total amount of money Latifah earns? Show your work. So I'm going to use that same method, and so I can do a little bit better job of explaining it. So we've got 20 plus 9, 30 plus 4, 30 plus 6, and 50 plus 2. So if we add together the tens, so we got 20 and 30, which is 50, 30 and 50, which is 80. 8 plus 5 is 13, so 50 plus 80 is 130. So we'll put that aside, 130. And then we're going to do the ones. So we've got 9 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. In this case, I'm actually going to do 6 and 4 is 10. And then 9 and 2 is 11. And 10 plus 11 is 21. So then I just add 21 to 130. And I get 151. So 151 total money earned. Okay, last one. So that was number 6. And now we'll do number 7. A herd of wild ponies. So there's 21 brown ponies, 24 white ponies, 29 black ponies, and 35 gray ponies. What's the total number of ponies? Let's see. Honestly, I think that method works pretty well. We'll try a different one just for, just switch it up. So we'll do 21 plus 24 and 29 plus 35. 5 and 4, and then 9 plus 4 is 14. So the 1 goes in the 1's place, the 10 goes in the 10's place. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 64. And then we add those two together, 64 plus 45, 4 plus 5 is 9, 6 plus 4 is 10, 109 total ponies. Okay, and I kind of went quick through that one. Hopefully it was helpful. You're welcome to give me feedback if you need me to go slower or show more examples. Just trying to fit time into the day to make these videos, but I want them to be useful, so by all means feel free. Yeah, hopefully that was helpful. Have fun. See you soon.